She can't hear you. You're muted.
Mataji, your voice is very, very low.
Yeah, you're muted, I think. We can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes,
I can
yes.
hear you now,
Very
Mataji.
loud and clear.
Mataji.
Asking how many of you are staying in Columbus, Cincinnati, Baltimore? So much.
I'm in
Mataji, yeah, there's so much snow in Columbus.
Ramachandra last.
Mataji, I had a little more than 1 feet.
How about Detroit?
Also have a lot of snow.
Michigan.
A lot of Cincinnati.
Okay.
Mataji, I had 1 feet and a little more, like about 3 or 4 inches of snow, and we were like sledding on the snow, but our snowboard broke at once.
Oh.
The corner of it just tore off.
Let me share screen.
Also for me, the snow was this thick.
I know, Parikshit. I heard.
In
Yeah.
Columbus, it's snowing
Same for
crazy.
me. Same for me.
Yeah, me too. It's cold. Snowing.
It's so hard to move in the snow, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, barely run in the snow.
Yeah. If you come to Florida, then there is no snow, right, Dini Krishna?
That's more closer to the equator, and the equator is hot.
The equator is the hottest place on the planet.
Yeah.
Could we please start class now?
Yes.
That's why
let's
there is
not
also a
talk about
tropical forest around it.
Okay. We'll start our prayers first. Let's begin. Om Agyan.
Tanatimirandasya Nyaranjana Shalakaya Chakshurumilitanjela Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavari Pachate Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Okay, so today we are doing a revision 2. So there is lot, like, we have to do 10 to 20, I think 10 to 15 PDF. Yeah, so we have basically a 2-week syllabus. So if we keep revising like each and everything, then time will not be sufficient. So quickly we'll go to the PDFs and then we will go to our question and answer. Let's see who is going to win. Okay? Can you close the door? Okay, so we will maybe give probably around 15 to 20 minutes for revision, and the last 20 minutes we will see the question and answers. Okay?
Mataji, what is this Biden Harris picture over here?
Look at Biden Harris picture. I don't know.
It says under the gold slide.
Oh, maybe you didn't come for that class. This was, this PDF. I was saying, like, what is your goal? You want to become a president of country? On that context, we have, who that is, a Suraj?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, then we will quickly. We have seen what should be the ultimate goal of human life. According to Shastras, Puranas, Vedas, Upanishads, what are they all declaring the ultimate? What are they declaring as the ultimate goal of life?
To love God. To do devotional service.
Yeah, it's to
love Krishna.
To reach God, to love God. If you love God, you will reach God, right? So basically, bhakti yoga is what all the Upanishads and the Shastras say. Okay, so we have seen that to reach a goal, we have to follow a strategy, And then Krishna is saying the strategy that is always remember me, always think of me. And then it gets very, very
Mataji, for this PDF, could you send it in WhatsApp? I want to go over it because soon there's going to be a test.
Yeah, then because in the PDFs maybe you will not, sometimes it will be confusing, just like you asked about Biden now. But still we can try. I will check with Vinita Gandhavika Mataji. If there is anything else we can forward for your preparation. Okay. So okay. So we have seen what happens if we miss our goal. Do you remember what will happen?
Can I just please?
Yes. Dear.
What is the other thing?
If we miss our goal, what will happen?
Can I tell? We go to Matilda. We'll go in the lower planets, right?
No, we will be here. We will be rotating in all these 14 planetary systems.
Yeah. Right. Bhuloka.
Yeah. So we have seen that. And then, do you remember what are the 3 reasons that Mother Yashoda was making butter for Krishna personally? Why did she has to make?
So because she thought, oh, the butter that the maids are making are not nice, so she wanted to go steal from other people's houses.
Mukund, can you tell?
Yes, Mataji. Because one of the reasons was because because Yashoda Maya did not have any other maids to do the service of turning the butter.
Because Yashoda Maya has lot of love, she didn't want the servant maid to make. And what is the second reason? Who knows?
So Krishna doesn't steal from others' houses.
The second reason is because like the maids aren't there.
No, the second reason is she wanted to make the butter from the specific cow milk so that it comes very tasty, and Krishna will not, when the butter is tasty, she expected that Krishna will not steal butter from others' house. So that is the second reason. And what is the third reason?
Mataji, can Mukund say?
She loved Krishna.
Mataji, I think it's the third reason is the maids aren't there because like I can't think of much of anything else.
Mataji, maybe because she loves Krishna.
No,
Mataji,
because,
can Mukund say it?
Mata.
Yes.
Mataji, could you tell me the question again?
I said we are discussing the 3 reasons why Mother Yashoda is churning the butter for Krishna. One, we said she had so much love that she didn't want the servant maid to do it. Second reason was she wanted to make it very tasty so that Krishna will not steal it from the other's house. So I'm asking, what is the third reason?
Mataji, can Mukund say?
Yes? Go ahead.
Go, Mukund. Mukund, Krishna, sing, go.
But
I think Mukund can
No,
go.
it's because I saw you were keeping
Okay.
Mataji,
The
but
third,
I don't
okay,
think
I
she
will
could
say
hear
the
you, so
third.
I wanted to give you a chance, so you just say it.
No. If there is anybody else, you can say. Who is that?
Mukund.
Mukund already got.
Mataji, can I say? She wanted to, she was going to offer the butter to Narayan so that Krishna would get protection.
Wonderful. Very good. Correct. Who is that?
This is Shri, Mataji.
Can you please switch on your videos? Only I see 4 or 5. Everybody switched on your videos. Okay. So Mother Yashoda was churning butter. Then what happened?
She was singing the pastimes of Lord Krishna.
Why she was singing pastimes of Lord Krishna? Why? Is there any reason why she was singing?
Because he loves Krishna.
She loves Krishna, correct. There is one reason I'm looking for. Is she singing because she thinks Krishna is God?
Because Krishna is God.
No. Who knows the answer?
Vatsalya, she had Vatsalya Bhav.
No, all that is correct. She's singing because, see, suppose suppose your mother loves you so much, and one day you become so big and you have to go to college, and you will leave your mom for for many months. You don't get to see her, and when you come, you just come for a day or two. So whenever your mother thinks about you, what
She
will
can
your
remember
mother?
Lord Krishna.
Your mother will always memorize all the memories and incidents that happened with you,
She
right?
will remember
But she can remember Krishna at all times.
pastimes.
Because Krishna was inside sleeping and Mother Yashoda was making butter in the courtyard, she's not able to see Krishna, right? So she was feeling separation from Krishna. And that's why she started singing about Krishna, thinking about him, meditating on him. Okay, then what happened? Then what happened? She was churning butter. Then who came?
Krishna.
No. And not in a happy mood though.
Krishna woke up. Was Krishna happy or was he upset?
Mad.
Upset.
Mad and mad.
Upset.
He was upset because he was see his mother, right?
Because she didn't Yashoda didn't wake up Lord Krishna.
Yeah, he didn't see Mother Yashoda, so he was upset and he came running to her and he asked her to, he said he was hungry and she started feeding milk. Then what happened?
He said, I want butter.
Then what happened? Krishna
He
was
said, I
Dini
want
Krishna,
butter.
wait. Dini Krishna, wait.
I know, I can tell.
He was drinking milk from Mother Yashoda and then what happened?
Mother Yashoda went away because of the milk.
Mother Yashoda went away, correct. So when Mother Yashoda was, when the whole Damodar Leela happened, do you remember what color sari Yashoda Maya was wearing?
Yellow sari.
Hello.
And that yellow sari was made from which tree? Which no, it's not silk. It's made from a tree.
Is the Dimba tree there?
Battery.
Akasi, Hasi. Mataji would have said Akasi is a tree which makes fine fiber, and from that fiber is the sari that Yashoda Maya wore. And what are the names of flowers that Yashoda Maya has on her head?
Malati flowers.
What about the she wears
Mataji.
what? She play, what is the name of around the waist she has a cloth, so she ties a cloth. No, Pitambar is Krishna's. What about Mother Yashoda's? It's called Mekhala. The cloth name is, Mataji would have said this example, right? Prabhupada many times said, like here in the material world, when you cook something like a noodle or pasta, you would have seen rice, you would have seen your mother pressing the rice like this, right? Or the pasta to see if it is cooked. How many of you saw?
Me.
How many of you saw your mom doing like that in the kitchen to see if that is cooked or not?
Me.
Mataji, what flower and what tree did you say?
Atasi, Atasi. So, but in spiritual world, Yashoda Maya need not go and check every time. She can just talk. Hey, rice, are you cooked? Because there everything,
Talkie.
No, Nini Krishna is saying everything talks.
Yes.
Mukund has a nice shika. Very nice, Mukund.
Can I see?
Like a Gurukul boy.
I also have a shikasi.
No, but he shaved his head.
No, but look, I shave my head.
Maybe he is a girl school boy.
Okay. So when,
But I thought Yashoda was on earth, not the spiritual world.
just telling you an example where because some of you said she went to check for milk. So I was saying it is not like many times your mother also will go and check, right? So in spiritual world, we know the reason, right? Milk was also boiling, overflowing because why? Who knows the reason? Why was
I was thinking that if Krishna is drinking Yashoda Maiya's milk, then what is the reason? And I was going for doing suicide.
The milk thought, well, then what is the use of me? And the milk wanted to commit suicide, kill himself. We might think, what? Milk is committing suicide? What?
What does suicide mean?
Suicide means killing your.
Kill himself.
Yeah. So now Krishna. So Krishna drank the milk like it's compared to a bird. What bird?
Chataka bird.
It always waits for the rain only.
Because it only drinks rainwater.
Yeah. Yes. So what is the competition in the spiritual world called as? Like the competition amongst milk,
Transcendental competition.
there amongst flowers, trees. Everybody want to serve Krishna. It is called as what?
Transcendental competition.
Transcendental competition.
Transcendental competition.
Yeah. So let's see what's next. See here, Mukund mentioned milk was committing spiritual suicide there. Okay. So then next what happened? When Yashoda Maya went to stop the milk from overflowing, then what happened?
Baby Krishna was angry.
Why was baby Krishna angry?
Don't go away.
Because Yashoda Maiya just left him on the floor without giving him more milk.
And he was hungry. And he didn't want Mother Yashoda to go away.
Yes, then do you think then Yashoda Maya made Krishna very sad?
Yeah.
Do you think it's so? Do you think then do you think Chanur and Mushrik? You remember there were comparisons like Chanur. Do you think Chanur Mushrik are better than Yashoda Maya then? Because Chanur Mushrik.
Oh.
Then why is saying? Because apparently it is looking like Yashoda Maya made him sad, and it is looking as if Krishna had lots of fun between with the Chanur and Mushrik. Then why are you saying Yashoda Maya didn't make Krishna sad? What is the reasoning that you want to give?
Well, it's the pastime.
No, I'm saying like Chanur and Mushrik are thinking about Krishna. Yashoda Maya is thinking about Krishna. Many are.
In a hatred way. They're thinking in a negative way.
Because you're at least thinking about Krishna.
The point here I'm making is the interaction is like, many are interacting with Krishna variously, but what matters is the consciousness, right? With what consciousness are you interacting with Krishna? Jagannath, you answered, but you were not able to say the word consciousness. Okay. So Krishna is what?
Baba Gati Janardhana.
What is meant by Bhavagrahi Janardana?
The one who accepts Bhav? The one who accepts Bhav?
The one who understands everyone's Bob.
Yes. Okay, so I think this slide is... Yeah. Okay, we have to see this.
What's
So-
Bhav?
So see,
mood.
when they were churning the milk ocean, it was very easy, right? Why Krishna has to come as a turtle, then why Krishna should have the scratching of the demigods pulling one side, demons pulling one side. Why all those things happen? Why Krishna has to...
Krishna
And killing Chanur Mushrik was not a big thing. Churning the milk ocean was not a big thing.
I think the churning of the milk ocean was a big thing. Like, because then it would just go down, right? So how would they churn it properly?
The point here is Krishna is not worried about suffering. Like if somebody comes and do it for us, you think we will be happy. We'll be like, woo, all kinds of sounds. Right? But Krishna was so blissful. Krishna enjoys any type of interactions because he is Ananda Brahma.
Mataji, sometimes when people do that, they say, "What was that for?" Right? Because it means what are you trying to take revenge on me or something?
Yeah, so I'm saying the point is Krishna is Kevala Ananda Kanda. There's one song also, right? Very beautiful version. So Krishna is Anandamaya Vyasat. He's always blissful. He's always happy. So he's not worried. So
Isn't it Parama Karuna Pahudvijana?
yes, who said that?
Ramachandra.
Very nice. You know that bhajan?
Yes, Mataji.
Very nice. Okay, so we will go to our other slides. Maybe 5 more minutes we will see that. And
Mama.
did you see this just now? Was this the slides we were seeing? No, right?
No. We just see some like file place.
Yes, got it. Okay.
Mataji, I see this green grass.
Who is somebody's unmuted? Brahma created, right?
Yeah, and also your
It's just
screen
we
shows
don't see
me.
the slide. We can only see
Step-
the
And so we have discussed many weeks whether how can Krishna get angry, right? When Krishna is do you think did we all agree that Krishna's anger and our anger is same?
No.
Krishna's anger is what?
Transcendental.
Transcendental anger.
So why did Krishna
It's reciprocate with everyone.
he wanted to reciprocate. We discussed that when Krishna is Parabrahma, when Krishna is the Supreme Lord, then how come Krishna can become angry? And as Mukund said, Krishna wanted to reciprocate with the parental love of Mother Yashoda. Okay, so then we will quickly see. Then we have seen how kids, how do you control your anger? How many of you get very angry quickly?
Sometimes.
Lot of times.
Okay. So when Krishna got angry, what did he do?
He broke the butter pot.
Okay, then how did Mother Yashoda know that it was Krishna who broke the pot? Why
Because
did
footprints. He's
Why
the only one that would do it, first of all, and she saw footprints.
because there was no sound, right? And when Mother Yashoda was worried about where did Krishna go, some voice spoke. The voice came from where? From the trees or flowers or sky or from where? Who knows?
The bell?
No. So when Krishna broke the pot, Mother Yashoda was worried, like, where is Krishna? Maybe he's scared and he's hiding somewhere. Then the voice from the sky spoke and the voice said, what did the voice say? Who knows? The voice gave a hint, like the bee was very thirsty and the bee wanted to, taste the honey from the lotus flower, and the bee's thirst was not gone. So the bee broke the lotus flower. So like that, the sky was talking, and this from sky the voice came, and from the sky, what did the sky say? Like now, this pastime of yours will be, very famous. You know what is the meaning of Yashoda? How many of you remember?
The giver of fame.
Oda means
Fame.
giver of fame. And she gives fame to Krishna.
Giver of fame. Da means giver, Yasha means fame. Giver of giving fame to Krishna. So you all are saying because Krishna left some clues, Mother Yashoda thought it was Krishna who broke the pot. And she followed Krishna's footprints, and she goes, and now she will see when she goes, what was Krishna? When she goes, what was Krishna?
He was feeding butter to the monkeys.
Butter to the monkeys.
Standing on a mortar.
He was feeding butter to the monkeys. Correct. See, he's feeding here. See. Then when he saw Mother Yashoda's
Slides. We don't see
Mataji, we can't see the slides. We can only see
Greenish.
like some male stuff.
the slide.
Can you see now?
Yes,
Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Okay, so Mother Yashoda chased and she went and where she saw him feeding to the monkeys. And do you know the meaning of Samiksha and Prasamiksha? Krishna was watching. See, he could not believe what he was watching. What Prasamiksha? Anybody remembers?
Yashoda Maya was holding a stick.
No, Samiksha means seeing. Prasamiksha means seeing very scrutinizingly.
Sam, stop.
Carefully.
Seeing very carefully. So now she started chasing. And finally,
Krishna for 12 hours.
yeah, she chased Krishna for 12 hours, correct. She chased and finally did she catch Krishna?
Yes.
Yes.
And what was Krishna doing? What was Krishna doing?
He was crying, trying to get Yashoda Maya.
He was saying Balaram, Rohini. Like,
Okay,
calling over help.
Oh yeah, he was crying for Rohini.
okay. What did he expect, Mother
He was
Yashoda?
making his puffy face.
No, what did he
To
expect?
let him go.
No, he expected that she will wipe the tears as she always do. But she didn't do that, right, Dina Krishna? She didn't do that, right? Then what did she start? Did she chastise the Krishna? She used words to chastise Krishna, right? She
Yeah.
said monkey. She said that and this, and she chastised, right? Then when she said you are a monkey, what did Krishna say?
He said, if I'm
Okay, then I'm
I'll
going
be with the other monkeys and I'll go to the forest.
Don't you think that was the reason why Yashoda Maya, we discussed, remember, because she was worried that he might leave. So that was one of the reasons that she actually tied him, right? So she used all these chastisements. She said, oh, restless boy, oh, hot-tempered, greedy boy, monkey lover, house plunderer, so many words. So then finally, whom was he calling for help?
Balaram and Rohini.
Rohini.
Balaram and Rohini.
Balaram and Rohini. Where did they go? Where did they go?
They went to
They were in someone's house.
They went to Upananda's house.
Oh yeah, Upananda.
Who's Upananda? Nanda
the
Maharaj.
brother of Nanda Maharaj.
How many brothers Nanda Maharaj has?
8.
5.
No.
Brothers, 5 brothers. Okay, so we will see
Nanda
our
Maharaj 6.
Mataji, could you tell me who is Balaram's wife?
Balaram's wife is Revati.
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 Okay. So now all of you
Revati was actually from Treta Yuga.
No.
Yeah,
Right?
he was so tall
At the
that he had to use
Balaram
his.
Revati, Parikshit, Revati was from Satya Yuga.
Satya Yuga, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was from Treta Yuga.
No.
Okay.
She
Satya
was
Yuga.
from Satya Yuga.
Oh, okay.
Because
Yeah, she
the
was really
Singh
tall.
from Satya Yuga and the
Yeah, Balaram is from.
Revati.
Then by the time she comes down and marries Balaram, she's very, very
Because they went to Brahma and Brahma was doing something.
correct.
And so the time of Brahma on earth was 2
Very
yugas.
Yeah.
And so Brahma laughed and told them. And so when they went down and
And then Brahma
Balaram married Revati,
made a good choice.
Balaram used his plow and brought down Revati.
Strength.
That's what. Okay, others, please come on the video now. All of you mute yourself. Let's see the questions, and whoever wants to answer, please raise your hands and I will pick one. Then it gets very easy.
I'm gonna pick.
Okay, let's see who is going to answer the more, like who is going to get more points. Okay. Okay. I will see who is raising the hands. Okay.
Can I pick who?
Okay. So, who wants to answer the first question?
Wait, can I tell?
No, wait, Jagadina Krishna. I just said you have to raise hands, so you have to be quiet. What is the ultimate goal that is mentioned in all the Vedas, Puranas, Upanishads, Samhitas, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Tulasi?
To achieve the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
Yes, very nice.
Now,
Good job.
can I pick now?
Reasons why Mother Yashoda is churning butter by herself is what I meant. So she wants to offer to Lord Narayan. She didn't want servant maid to make butter because Mother Yashoda loves him so much. She wanted to make tasty butter so that Krishna will not steal butter from others' houses. All the above.
I think it's number 2.
No answering. I said you have to just raise your hand. Krishna Nayana.
That's not how you spell didn't, Mataji.
Okay, maybe it was by mistake.
Mataji, can I answer?
Oh, I said Krishna Nayana.
He wanted to make tasty butter so that Krishna will not steal butter from the other houses.
That is no. Let's see.
Can I go, please?
No,
All of the above.
Who said all of the above?
Me,
Who said me?
Sri Lakshmi.
See Lakshmi. Okay. Yes, correct.
Somebody else.
Okay.
Next question.
If there are any spelling mistakes, please don't mind because I was just making in a rush. I will correct them later. Okay. So Mother Yashoda is Ashraya. She's shelter of Prema and Krishna is Vishaya. He's the object of Prema. Is it true or false? Ramachandra.
True.
Correct.
True.
All of you mute again, please. All of you, please mute. Don't unmute yourself. So what is the meaning of Yashoda? Yashaha and the. I will pick. Please don't mute your.
Can I pick? Please.
Yeah, okay.
Suraj.
Suraj.
The meaning of Yashoda is a fame giver or something.
Yasha means fame. Da means giver. Giver of fame. Suraj, you always nicely sit and eat without sharing your food. Your mom makes so yummy food. She is posted in the Jagannath group almost every once in a while. It's okay.
I didn't know that.
I was just teasing. You can eat.
Okay.
How do you is online way different than?
Okay. Why was Mother Yashoda singing while churning butter? Raise your hands. Mute yourself, please. Okay, let's see who is ready. We'll give chance to those who. Samskriti. To glorify Krishna, to make Krishna happy, she was in feeling of separation. None of the above.
To glorify Krishna?
No. Nandini. Nandini.
3. She was feeling of separation.
She was feeling in separation because Krishna was sleeping inside and she's in the courtyard.
I should pick.
Mother Yashoda called Krishna. She was singing, right? While singing, she was using so many words. So in that one, like I am just asking one of the word that she used, to glorify Krishna. So what is that one word? Did she call him as Tilaka of family of Nanda? Oh, sorry, Krishna, I made a wrong mistake. Okay, she called Krishna as crown of family of Nanda Maharaj, or did she call king of the family of Nanda Maharaj? What do you think? Did she call him as Tilaka of the family, king of the family, or crown of the family?
Let me pick.
Isha and Vikram.
Number 1.
Yeah, she's compared him as Tilak of the family. Correct. Good job. Okay. Mother Yashoda is not the epitome of parental love. Is she the epitome of parental love or not the epitome of parental love? Who raised hand? Mukund? True, yeah. Who else can be the epitome of parental love? Correct. So,
But it said Mother Yashoda is not the epitome of love, so false.
okay.
Oh.
Correct. False. But actually,
Ramachandra.
Mukund, you are breaking. Good job, Ramachandra. Correct. Thank you. Yashoda Maya was wearing, you all answered.
Yellow.
Yashoda Maya sari was prepared from fiber of
Yellow silk sari.
True.
She wore a cloth named blank around her waist.
No.
Mekhala.
Last word.
When Krishna woke up, he was upset. True or false?
True.
Mark instead of slash.
Atmarama means not satisfied.
False.
False.
Krishna Atmarama.
He's still satisfied.
Krishna was feeling hungry because he's not Atmaram. He's a small child. He wants to reciprocate his mother's parental love. He was angry at Yashoda Maya. Jagannath. What is that? You have to read it out.
He wants to reciprocate his mother's parental love.
Yes. Why did Krishna stop Mother Yashoda churn butter? Oh, we forgot to discuss this. Let's see how many of you. Okay, Balram.
He was hungry. Oh.
Mataji, he stopped Mother Yashoda from churning the butter because he was hungry and wanted to drink her milk.
There is one reason, deep meaning what the acharyas explained. Okay, maybe because we didn't discuss, I will tell. Because Krishna said, Krishna stopped Yashoda Maya churning butter because he said the great sages, what do? They always want to churn all the scriptures to get the essence. And what is the essence?
But she has him right there.
Essence is to get Krishna. So he's saying, why are you churning? I am right here. So just stop it. I am here. You focus on me. That was the other meaning. So Krishna was
to get her attention.
We also did this with Sita Priti Mataji yesterday.
Krishna was drinking milk like what bird?
Shataka.
Chataka bird.
The Maharaj has how many cows?
900,000.
900,000.
Place value
9,999.
900,999?
900,000?
Correct.
Yeah.
It's not 900,000.
You all have to mute now. It's getting like messy now. You have to mute. All of you, please mute. Please mute. Okay, so now when Manda Maharaj has so many cows, why did Mother Yashoda? Spelling is wrong. Okay. Why did Mother Yashoda leave Krishna for the sake of little milk? It was very little. They used to have, maybe if there are so many cows, then there should be huge amount of milk, right? Why? Because she's worried that the kitchen gets dirty. She was thinking Krishna's favorite milk is getting spoiled. She felt Krishna is very heavy. All the above.
She was thinking Krishna's favorite.
He was thinking Krishna.
All above.
Second one.
All the above. All the above.
Oh, not all the above.
Oh, second one.
Second one.
Second and third.
Second one.
Second and third.
No, second one.
Just second one. She didn't think that Krishna was heavy.
Yeah.
one.
Okay. Chanur and Mushtik gave pleasure for Lord and Yashoda Maya made him sad. True or false?
False.
Yeah, false. Krishna is Ananda. No. Ananda.
No.
No, that's different.
I have no idea.
What? Mayur?
Ananda Brahma.
He's always blissful. Anandamaya.
Anandamaya Bhaisha.
Yeah. We just discussed, right? Ananda Brahma, Anandamaya Vyasat, Keval Ananda Khanda. He's always blissful. What is more important in one's interaction with God?
Consciousness.
Okay, Krishna is Bhava blank Janardana.
Grahi Janardana. Grahi.
Correct.
Bhava Grahi Janardana.
Bhavagrahi Janardhana.
Krishna's anger and dissatisfaction are material.
False, 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 false.
False. They're all transcendental.
Mataji, this is false.
Okay, all of you mute. We will see if anybody is there who didn't get chance and who wants to answer. Mokshit, you want to try? Mokshit?
Did you call on me?
No thanks.
No. Karthik, you want to try? Sri Krishna, you want to try the answer? No? No thanks? Ojasvi, you want to try?
Huh?
Okay. Varun, you want to try? Varun?
Mataji, what's the question again?
Why didn't Yashoda Maya think monkeys broke the pot?
Because it was
Because she knew that Krishna was naughty.
Because it was so quiet.
Nah, he broke it very quietly. Correct. I was just thinking because if anybody else wants to answer, they can just get a chance. When Yashoda Maya was worried about Krishna, where did the voice come from?
Outside.
The sky, the sky.
the sky.
The sky.
The sky.
The sky.
Okay, what did Krishna do to make Mother Yashoda feel sorry? He did something. What did he do? He was thinking, I will do this and my mother will feel very sad. I will.
You go to the forest and live like a monkey.
No, he will see. He actually ate something, thinking that I will fall sick and my mother has to take.
Dirt.
He ate last week.
He ate old butter, stale one.
Spoiled butter, Mataji.
Okay, what is Samiksha and Prasamiksha? We have just seen.
Mataji, he ate butter that has fungus or something on it.
Rotten
Yeah.
butter, I guess.
Oh, yes. What is Samiksha? He didn't eat with the fungus, he ate a old butter. See, now we are very used to eat the before days food, but olden days it was not like that, right? They used to consider it very stale, even if it is like 4 or 5 hours old food also. So what is Samiksha? We just discussed. When Yashoda Maya was going with the stick, Krishna scrutinizingly saw.
Carefully looking.
Samiksha is just looking, seeing. Prasamiksha is
Just carefully
Listen
looking.
carefully.
Okay, this also we forgot. This. Okay. Did you remember this term? Shri Sukadeva Goswami used this word Tadvirya Kog. Not knowing his, what does that mean? Yashoda Maya is running behind him, not knowing his
Power. Not knowing his
greatness.
Great.
Virya means the greatness. So not knowing his greatness, she was just going behind. Yashoda Maya tied Krishna because he said he will go to forest. True or false?
True. Well,
So that Krishna wouldn't be able to move around.
That is true.
Whom did Krishna call when Yashoda Maya was binding him?
Ram and Rohini. His older brother and Rohini.
He actually called Rohini first. He said, Rohini, where are you? Did you go somewhere with Balaram? Like that.
Because if Rohini Mata was there, Yashoda would have not tied Krishna.
Correct.
The Rohini Mata would have stopped.
Yes. He has no Purva Param. Krishna has no Purva Aparam. What does that mean? Do you remember this word? We didn't discuss in the revision.
No.
Yeah, Purva means whom? How many of you know what is Purva?
Before,
Krishna doesn't have before, Krishna doesn't have after. Like when the creation is, he's always there. He has been the source of the existence, will be the source. It doesn't have any beginning or end. No before, no after.
There's
But
like one Bhagavad Gita shloka that says one. That says like I was way before the king.
yes. So this is our revision questions for today. So I tried to cover.
These are going to be sent in the WhatsApp group, right?
Ha.
Okay.
So tomorrow and day after also will be revision, and from next week I think you are taking a test, and after that we will get back to our how Krishna can be God, that discussion. Okay.
We're going right back to it.
Okay, you all did very pretty much. Yeah, you remembered everything. You all did very well. I'm so proud of you.
No, not me.
You all.
I told you.
Okay, then we will see you next week.
Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you for the class.
Hare
Wait, Mataji, did you guys
Did we
get a
There's craft.
into a class.
No.
Craft. Is there a craft or something?
We are not doing because today is yeah, we are not doing.
Mataji, yesterday, Sitapati Mataji said that there will be no activities after the revision.
Yeah, after revision we will have activities. Okay.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare
Krishna.
Thank you very much, Mataji.
Krishna.
என்ன